Hello friends, today I will show you how to use clipboard in your Windows system. First of all, you need to configure your Windows system for using clipboard. First, go start, then setting, and then system. In clipboard, my clipboard history is on. You saw first your clipboard history is off, then you can on it. Okay, your configuration is ready for using clipboard. Then I go a text editor. First of all, you need to know how to use clipboard shortcut way. Go your keyboard and then press the Windows plus V. Okay, this is a clipboard history pop-up as you saw. And first of all, I select all, Ctrl C copy and Ctrl C copy. You can use Windows plus V using it. Okay, thanks for watching. This is simple.